Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're excited to review the electric bike for adults, a 26-inch commuter e-bike that packs a punch with its powerful 1000W peak motor. We found this product online and have added a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the electric bike for adults? This is a versatile e-bike designed for urban commuting, recreational riding, and even off-road adventures. With a powerful 750W motor that peaks at 1000W, this bike can tackle various terrains with ease. Whether you're navigating steep hills or cruising through city streets, this bike is built to handle it all. One of the standout features of this e-bike is its strong continuous power, thanks to the 36V360WH lithium-ion battery. It takes just 5 to 6 hours to fully charge and can deliver an impressive range of over 40 miles on a single charge. This means you can confidently plan your rides without the constant worry of running out of battery. The bike also features a 7-speed Shimano gear system that ensures smooth and precise shifting. This is particularly beneficial for riders who want to adjust their speed and gear depending on the terrain. The 26-inch all-terrain tires provide excellent stability and traction, while the lockable front suspension absorbs vibrations, ensuring a comfortable ride whether you're on pavement or gravel. Safety is paramount when it comes to cycling, and this e-bike doesn't compromise in that area. It comes equipped with a dual-disc brake system, offering reliable stopping power in all conditions. Additionally, it features a bright LED headlight, along with reflective elements to enhance visibility, making your ride safer during both the day and night. This bike is ergonomically designed for long-distance comfort, accommodating riders up to 330 pounds. The adjustable seat and handlebars allow you to find the perfect riding posture, and full-coverage fenders keep you clean and dry, making your rides not only enjoyable but also practical. Who is this e-bike suitable for? It's perfect for adults looking for an efficient mode of transportation for commuting or leisure. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or simply enjoying a weekend ride, this e-bike can meet your needs. In practical use cases, imagine cruising through the city streets during your morning commute, easily navigating traffic without breaking a sweat. Or perhaps you're looking for a weekend adventure, exploring local trails with friends. This bike can handle both scenarios effortlessly. Setting up the YOLOWAY YC1 is hassle-free, arriving 85% pre-assembled. You'll only need to attach the front wheel, handlebars, and seat, which can be done in under 30 minutes with the included toolkit and video guide. Plus, with a 12-month warranty covering the motor, battery, and controller, you can ride with peace of mind. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.